y'all, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and y'all, I am super excited. I have something that I want to show y'all, and I want you to tell me what you think I'm going to be doing with them. So are y'all ready to see what I have? Okay. All right. Ta-da! I actually have these right here. Do you know what these are? Yes, y'all, I am so super excited to be using these, and I am going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing with these. I have a very special occasion that is coming up that I'll be celebrating, me and my husband. You all probably know what it is, but I am going to be making some. Tell me what I'm going to be making. All right, so make sure you all follow me here on Facebook, and make sure you go over and subscribe to me on YouTube at IeashaDesigner.com. Y'all, I am super excited to show you what I'm going to be doing, and these will be added to my website. So you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video so y'all can see what I'm going to be doing. Make sure you leave in the comment what you think I'm going to be doing with these, okay? Peace.